Hindi pa. Grandma can play also. She doesn't see it.
Siya na
See my arm
Dito lang yan yan. Ha?
It's sour.
Hindi ni.
Grandma, there's no air. No air.
She can't see. You have to show.
Oh, sorry.
Face.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock. I better go. And
There's no You think that's dummy? It's not that much.
Ni grandma daw ni. Pabalikin mo na. Grandma tawag.
Hello, ma'am. Oh.
Natawagan ka. Oh.
Oh, you're closed? You're
Nag,
closed?
mag-burger ka daw.
She's closed.
Because grandma is not there, that's why. Jelana, it's baliktad. You know why? It's the oven is here. We need to put it backwards here. There you go.
But then I can't see the menu.
No, that's the oven. She's cooking. No, that's how. Oh, this is backward. Why would anybody cook this one? Cooking need to be on the other side.
Yeah.
Baliktad.
And the menu needs to be on this side.
Yeah, the food cart, but the oven need to be on the other side.
No, but no, it's yeah. No, it's supposed to be this side because this is how you're gonna turn this on and cook and stuff.
Oh,
Yan ang lulutuin yun eh.
baka yung customer na magluluto.
Bottom the customer.
There's none. It's 0. No, Ate Dong didn't give you yet.
Already done.
Asus.
hey, Jelana, I'm gonna put these back.
Itapon ko lang nga itong socks na ito, madam. Maluwag na lock.
Well, I just want. I'll take one. Are you?
There's
all done
none,
with these?
Julene.
You're done with these, Jelana?
Akit na tayo.
No.
Ay!
Yeah. No, she's not gonna give you money now.
You're not playing with Abby.
I am.
Ito na eh.
Customer. I want food.
Magluto muna ka ng hotdog.
Lolo. There's a process. Eh, Lo.
Sakit mo naman magsalita.
Di mauntog sa upuan.
Ay, Jelana, this go there. Cause for the customer. Not for you.
Baliktad nga eh. Baliktad.
Yung paglagyan ng customer. Adi ko man eh. Paglagyan ng lulutuin niya sa...
Baliktad. Baliktad lahat yan.
It's like this. No, that's how you do it.
Yeah, pabayaan nyo na. Balik na.
Yeah, that's for your...
Baliktad yan.
Cooking. Are you the customer?
Baliktad yung lutuan.
The customer? Yeah, no.
Alabog lang ha. Diyos ko.
Sige.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't want to.
Lo.
Cook na. Customer, cook your own order. Who's customer?
Me.
Okay, cook your own food. Because the oven is right there. So
Baliktad nga to kasi ng pangalan eh. Oh. Tapos andito yung lutuan. Hindi, tapos lutuan eh. Hindi, magluluto ka baliktad eh.
ano ba yan?